The internet is a place we go to play games with our friends. We learn a lot of different things and keep up with the trends. We sign into different places, we tap and click, but sometimes on the internet we forget to stop and think. The internet can be a dangerous place if we don't know all the rules, but watching Cybersafe can help me pick up all the tools. Salam alaikum, and welcome to an episode of Cybersafe, the show that teaches you how to use the internet safely. In today's episode we will discuss internet rules. The first and most important rule of all when it comes to the internet is making sure that you do not give out any personal information. When we chat or post online, we have to be very sure that we aren't giving away things like our full name, password or home address. Your screen name should never give away anything about you, like your full name or date of birth. Remember, personal information can be seen in images and videos you share too. Keep them safe to keep yourself safe. Another important rule is to never meet up with someone you know online, even if they call themselves a friend or a friend of a friend, because that person is still a stranger, and meeting them can be very dangerous. If someone you only know online ever asks you to meet up with them or asks you for personal information, photos or videos, then you should tell an adult straight away. We need to think carefully before we click on or open something online, for example links, adverts, friend requests or photos, as you never know where they may lead to, or they might contain a virus. A very critical rule when it comes to internet safety is being careful with the things we accept from other people. You should never accept something if you are unsure of who the person is or what they've sent you. Don't buy anything online without talking to your parents first. Some internet ads might try to trick you by offering you free things or telling you that you have won something. We see a lot of wacky things online, but what we always see isn't always true. So remember that another essential rule is that you cannot trust everything as you see as being entirely accurate or true. If you want to make sure that something is reliable, then check the facts in a book. Talk to someone about what you found, or check at least 3 different websites to compare if the information is true. It's also very important that you tell a trusted adult if something or someone ever makes you feel upset, worried or confused. This could be if you or someone you know is being bullied online. There are lots of people who will be able to help you, like your parents, teachers or carers. Always remember to be kind and respectful to others online. Make the internet a better place by helping your friends if they are worried or upset by anything that happens online. I have just the way we can remember these rules. It's called Be Smart with a Heart. S is for safe. Keep your personal information safe. M is for meet. Never meet anyone you don't know. A is for accept. Be careful what you accept. R is for reliable. Make sure what you see or read is true. T is for tell. Tell a trusted adult if something worries you. Heart. Heart is for always being kind and respectful to others online. Thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you can stay cyber safe all the time. We've nearly come to the end today, but not before we visit our internet safety rhyme. I keep my information safe, I don't let people know my name, address or number or which call I go. I never talk to strangers if they're not a real life friend. No matter who they say they are, it could be just pretend. If I take a photo of a friend, I'm always well aware to ask if it's okay with them before I click and share. I'm always kind to others in the playground and on screen. I never write or tell them things that are hurtful, bad or mean. I always ask an adult before I go online. If we look at things together, I know I will be fine. If I ever see something that makes me scared or sad, I tell an adult I can trust and it won't be so bad.